After tea in the lighthouse on the Guillemot Rock, we all like to sit around, relax, and tell stories. One particular stormy night, I told Ross and Cromarty a story about a sea monster. And they do say that the sea serpent slipped back into his cave and has only been seen on stormy nights, just like tonight.
Ooh, shivered Ross. Makes you think, you know.
Ah, spat Cromarty. Don't believe in beasties myself. Whisper in whirlpools, I said. I'm off to bed. It's your turn for the night watch, Cromarty. Good night. Aye, aye, sir, replied Cromarty, and he continued his knitting.
Oh, I hate the night watch,
shivered Ross.
When I'm on my own and the wind blows, I imagine all sorts of weird things are outside.
Ah, sea monsters, beasties, absolute rubbish, said Cromarty, as he bundled up his knitting.
But what about the old fishermen's tales?
Said Ross. It's all phooey. Ross, you'd believe anything. Whereas I always think in a clear and logical way.
Is that why you wear odd socks?
Laughed Ross. Don't be cheeky and stop talking about sea monsters and the like, said Cromarty. Between you and me, I think he was getting a little nervous.
Ooh, ah, ow!
Oh, don't creep up on me like that.
What's that noise? It's the monster!
Ah, be sensible, Ross. They don't exist. I'm sure they don't. They can't. I know, said Cromarty, putting on a brave face. Let's have a nice cup of tea.
What was that?
There's something up the stairs, stuttered Cromarty.
I suppose we'd better go and have a look,
said Ross. When they got to the service room, they were relieved to find that it was only the wind blowing some papers about through an open window. Oh, it's creepy, whispered Cromarty. Let's go back downstairs.
Oh, wait for me! I'm not staying here on my own! Come on, Cromarty! Don't just stand there!
But he was too scared to move. But, Luke, stuttered Cromarty.
It's the sea monster!
Shouted Ross.
It must have come in with window! Wow, help!
Oh, come with me to the rolling sea while the weather's calm and still, and we'll have some fun and laughter with the adventures of Portland Bill.